Today I am going to show you the recipe of Aloo Kachori. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some peeled and boiled potatoes, oil, rava, maida, salt, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander which is finely chopped, red chili powder, garam masala, amchur powder, turmeric powder, hing, some chilies which are finely chopped and ginger garlic paste. So let's start. Now take a bowl and add 1 cup of maida in it. Then add 2 tablespoons of semolina. With that, salt as per taste and oil 1 to 2 tablespoons. And now we are going to mix it properly. I mixed it properly and the dough holds the shape. And now I am going to add water little by little and knead it into a soft dough. I knead it into a soft dough and now I am going to grease some oil on it. I grease some oil and now I am going to cover it with a plate and rest it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the dough has set well and now we are going to go to the next process. Now take a pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Then add half tablespoon of cumin seeds. With that, half tablespoon of fennel seeds, half tablespoon of coriander seeds, and some chilies which are finely chopped. Mix it and cook them until they are aromatic. Everything is aromatic and now I am going to add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it properly and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 to 2 minutes, the ginger garlic paste has cooked and now I am going to add different types of spices. So first, salt as per taste, amchur powder half tablespoon, red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala half tablespoon and hing 1/4 teaspoon. Mix it and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, the spices have cooked and now I am going to add the boiled and mashed potato in it. Mix it and combine it very well. I combine the potato with the spices very well and now I am going to add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix it properly. I mixed it properly and my stuffing is ready and now we are going to turn off the gas and cool it down completely. Now take a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. I rolled it into a ball and now we are going to gently press it to flatten it. I flattened it and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of the stuffing on it. Pack it tightly. I packed it tightly and now we are going to press it gently. I press it gently and my kachori is ready. And now I am going to transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I made 2 more kachoris and now we are going to go to the deep fry process. Now take a pan and heat some oil in it. Then add the kachoris. I added the kachoris and now we are going to fry them until they are golden brown and crispy. The kachoris are golden brown and crispy and now I am going to transfer them on a tissue paper. So the tissue paper will absorb all the oil. I transferred it into this plate. So as you can see, it looks so delicious. So this is my delicious and tasty aloo kachori recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.